Hi everyone. இந்த வீடியோவில் அலெக்சாண்டர் போப் எழுதின த ரேப் ஆஃப் த லாக் அப்படிங்கிற போம்லேருந்து ஒரு 55 MCQs பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. மறக்காமல் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற நிறைய வீடியோஸுடைய நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும். இப்போ கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ரேப் ஆஃப் த லாக் இஸ் அ டேஷ். ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் ஹீரோயிக் கப்லெட், நரேட்டிவ் போயம், எலிஜி, மாக் ஹீரோயிக் எபிக். ஆன்சர் வந்து மாக் ஹீரோயிக் எபிக். நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின். When was the final edition of the poem published, which included all 5 cantos and Clarissa's speech? Options 1715, 1716, 1717, 1718. Answer on the 1717. Next one. Who is the antagonist? The Baron, Clarissa, Nymphs, Twickenham. Answer the Baron. Next question. To whom did Alexander Pope address his dedicatory letter? Options Belinda, Arabella Fermor, the Baron, John Carlyle. Answer Arabella Fermor. Next question. In which literary period did Pope publish this work of art? Options Romantic Age, Medieval Age, Augustan Age, Victorian Age. Answer in the Augustan Age. Next question. What is the setting of the poem? Options Belinda's house, Hampton Court, the Cave of Spleen, all the above. Answer all the above. Next question. When was it first published anonymously in Lintott's Miscellaneous Poems and Translations in 2 cantos? Options March 1712, April 1712, May 1712, June 1712. Answer on the May 1712. Next question. What was the final form of poem being included and appeared in 1718? Options Baron's speech, Belinda's speech, Clarissa's speech, Fermor's speech. Answer Clarissa's speech. Next question. Who recounted the actual event to Alexander Pope? Options Arabella Fermor, Lord Peter, John Carlyle, Belinda. Answer John Carlyle. Next question. Which families did Arabella Fermor and her suitor Lord Peter belong to? Options Protestant, Catholic, Puritans, Anglican. Answer Catholic. Next question. Pope derived dash from the 17th century French Rosicrucianism novel Comte de Gables. Options Belinda, Angel, Sylphs, Baron. Answer on the Sylphs. Next question. What was the pseudonymously published A Key to the Lock in 1714 by Pope? Answer Peter Brainwelt, Esdras Braniwelt, Fermor Braniwelt, Cryle Braniwelt. Answer on the Esdras Braniwelt. Next one. Who is the norm? Options Ariel, Umbriel, Betty, Brilliant. Answer Umbriel. Next question. Who conspires with the Baron to steal Belinda's lock? Options Umbriel, Clarissa, Sir Plume, Betty. Answer Clarissa. Next one. Whose job is to guard Belinda's diamonds? Options Clarissa, Betty, Brilliant, Thalestris. Answer Brilliant. Next one. Whose job is to guard Belinda's watch? Options Momentilla, Zephrita, Crispissa, Brilliant. Answer Momentilla. Next question. Whose job is to guard Belinda's fan? Options Momentilla, Zephrita, Crispissa, Brilliant. Answer Zephrita. Next one. Whose job is to guard Belinda's lock? And options Momentilla, Zephrita, Crispissa, Brilliant. Answer Crispissa. Next question. Who sees Belinda's lock of hair rise upward into the heavens? Options Shock, Muse, Carlyle, Nymphs. Answer Muse. Next one. What is Belinda's dog's name? Options Shock, Bright, Bruno, Joe. Answer Shock. Next one. Which Roman god weighs the strength of the men and women in the final battle? Options Zeus, Jove, Apollo, Bacchus. Answer Joe. Next question. Who is Belinda's guardian self? Options Betty, Ariel, Nymph, Clarissa. Answer Ariel. Next question. What did the rape of Lock employ? Options heroic couplets, iambic pentameter, patterns of epic poem, all the above. Answer all the above. Next one. Which canto did Umbriel appear? Options Canto 2, Canto 3, Canto 4, Canto 5. Answer Canto 3. Next question. Belinda's lock of hair is compared to Shakespeare's dash. Rosalind necklace, Othello's handkerchief, Macbeth's dagger, Portia's ring. Answer Othello's handkerchief. Next one. How did fiery women become? Option salamanders, water spirits, gnomes, coquettes. Answer salamanders. How did soft yielding women become? Option salamanders, water spirits, gnomes, coquettes. Answer water bodies. Next one. How did prudish women's souls sink down into the earth and become? Options salamanders, water spirits, gnomes, sylphs. Answer gnomes. Next one. How did flirtatious and light-hearted women become? Salamanders, water spirits, gnomes, sylphs. Answer sylphs. Next one. Who warns Belinda, the pious maid, to beware of man? Options Umbriel, Betty, Ariel, Clarissa. Answer Ariel. Next one. Who is figured as a pagan priestess? Options Belinda, Betty, Ariel, Shock. Answer Betty. Next one. What becomes an altar for the sacred rites of bride? Options bedchamber, dressing table, kitchen, living room. Answer dressing table. Next one. Which is not being kept on the dressing table of Belinda? India's glowing gems, tortoise and elephant in the form of combs and powders, Bibles and billet dogs, golden powdered item. Answer golden powdered item. Next one. Belinda sails along the dash Nile, Mediterranean Sea, River Thames, Pacific Ocean. Answer River Thames. Next one. What did she wear across her neck? Options diamonds, pearls, bejeweled cross, rubies and emeralds. Answer bejeweled cross. Next question. Apart from infidels, who else would like to kiss the bejeweled cross? Options Protestants, Catholics, Jews, Anglicans. Answer Jews. Next question. How many curls of locks are there in Belinda's hair? Options 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer 2. Next question. How many sylphs would look after Belinda's petticoat? Options 20, 30, 40, 50. Answer 50. Next question. Belinda's petticoat is described as the dash fold fence. Options 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer 7. Next question. Who took counsel when the boat arrived at Hampton's Court? Options Queen Elizabeth, Queen Mary, Queen Victoria, Queen Anne. Answer Queen Anne. Next one. What did Belinda play at the Hampton Court? Options game of bowls, game of ombre, game of fencing, game of gossip. Answer game of ombre. Next question. What is the first card of Belinda? Options Spadillo, Manillo, Basto, Plebeian. Answer Spadillo. Next one. Coffee is served on the altars of dash and on China's earth. Options India, Japan, Africa, America. Answer Japan. Next question. Who pulls out a pair of scissors and offers them to the Baron? Options Clarissa, Betty, Ariel, Umbriel. Answer Clarissa. Next one. How many times did the sylphs hurry to Belinda's neck and attempt to fiddle with her hair and twist her ring? Options 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer 3. Next one. Who is a dusky melancholy spirit that appears and descends to the subterranean cave of spleen? Options Ariel, Nymphs, Umbriel, Shock. Answer Umbriel. Next one. How many handmaids did Umbriel see for the Queen of Spleen? Options 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer 2. Ill nature and affection. Next question. Who is a withered old maid in a dress of black and white with a heart full of spite for others? Options Gnomes, Nymphs, ill nature, affection. Answer ill nature. Next question. The Queen of Spleen binds together a bag for Umbriel like according to the myth of dash. Options Icarus, Zeus, Ulysses, Flamilla. Answer Ulysses. Next one. When Umbriel returns, Belinda is in the arms of dash. Options Clarissa, Thalestris, Ariel, Lord Byron. Answer Thalestris. Next question. Who is particularly proud of his snuff box and fashionable cane? Options Lord Baron, Ariel, Norm, Lord Plume. Answer Lord Plume. Next question. How many times did Belinda drop her matchbox? Options 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer 3. Next question. Like whom did Belinda overcome with emotions at the end? Options Aeneas, Jupiter, Dido, Troy. Answer Dido. Next question. How did Belinda prepare to stab Baron? Options knife, dagger, foil, bodkin. Answer bodkin. Next one. The narrative voice addresses Belinda that the loss of her lock would get the position in the dash. Options earth, ocean, heaven, sky. Answer on the sky. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோஸில் அலெக்சாண்டர் போப்புடைய ரேப் ஆஃப் லாக்கில் இருந்து ஒரு 55 MCQs பார்த்துருக்கோம். இது மாதிரி MCQs அப்புறம் இங்கிலீஷ் லிட்ரேச்சர் வீடியோஸ் நிறைய பார்க்குறதுக்கு நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. மறக்காமல் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற நிறைய வீடியோஸோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும். தேங்க்யூ.